We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive and unbiased look at the Desk-Fidget-Kinetic-Toy's cool gadgets by Samisolar. If you own this item, please consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. The Desk-Fidget-Kinetic-Toy by Samisolar is a compact, precision-engineered kinetic desk toy designed to provide both visual and tactile satisfaction. Measuring 1.5 by 1.5 by 1.4 inches and weighing just 2.6 ounces, this toy is crafted from high-quality aluminum metal and machined using CNC technology, ensuring a durable and premium feel. Its small size makes it an unobtrusive addition to any desk, whether at home, in the office, or at school. The toy features a helix groove milled across its entire surface. When spun, it creates a captivating optical illusion that many users describe as almost magical. This effect is not only visually appealing, but also serves as a focal point for relaxation, stress relief, and mental reset during busy workdays. The spinning duration is impressive, with the toy capable of spinning for up to 180 seconds on a single flick, offering an extended period of mesmerizing motion. One of the standout qualities of the Desk-Fidget-Kinetic-Toy is its versatility. It is marketed as suitable for adults, teens, and children, and the reviews reflect this broad appeal. Many users report purchasing the toy as a gift for family members, friends, or colleagues, and it has been well received across age groups. The toy is especially popular among creators, makers, and thinkers, anyone who benefits from a moment of focus or a quick distraction from the demands of daily tasks. The construction quality is frequently highlighted in user feedback. The aluminum body feels solid and substantial, and the CNC machining results in a smooth, seamless finish. The spinning action is described as satisfying and smooth, with a weight that feels just right in the hand. The optical illusion effect is consistently praised for being calming and aesthetically pleasing, making it a perfect addition to a workspace where both productivity and relaxation are valued. Color options are another appreciated aspect, though there are some notes about color accuracy. For example, one user mentioned that the pink version appeared slightly darker in person than in the product photos. Despite this minor discrepancy, the overall impression is positive, with a range of available colors allowing users to personalize their desk setup. Durability is a recurring theme in the reviews. The Desk-Fidget-Kinetic-Toy is built to last, with many users noting that it withstands frequent use without showing signs of wear. The smooth spinning mechanism remains consistent over time, and the toy maintains its visual appeal even after extended periods of use. This durability makes it a reliable choice for anyone looking for a long-term desk accessory. The toy's usability is straightforward. Simply place it on a flat surface and give it a spin. The helix groove design ensures that the spinning motion is both stable and visually engaging. Some users have noted that the toy can reverse direction when it encounters resistance, adding an extra layer of intrigue to its operation. This feature has even made the toy a favorite among pets, with several reviewers mentioning that their cats enjoy watching and interacting with the spinning orb. However, it is worth noting that the surface of the toy is not hard and glossy, which means it can pick up dirt and debris if used on the floor or other unclean surfaces. Keeping the toy on a clean desk is recommended to maintain its appearance and performance. Customer service from the manufacturer, Samisolar, receives high marks in user feedback. In cases where the product did not initially meet expectations, such as not spinning as advertised, the company was quick to respond and resolve the issue by sending a replacement. This commitment to customer satisfaction is an important consideration for potential buyers, as it demonstrates the brand's dedication to quality and support. The Desk-Fidget-Kinetic-Toy is also recognized for its value as a gift. Many reviewers purchased multiple units as Christmas gifts and were pleasantly surprised by the positive reactions from recipients. The toy's calming and aesthetically pleasing qualities make it a thoughtful and unique present for anyone who spends time at a desk. It is especially popular among students and office workers who appreciate having a small, engaging distraction during breaks or periods of stress. In terms of performance, the toy delivers on its promises. The spinning action is smooth and consistent, and the optical illusion effect is both hypnotic and relaxing. Users report that the toy is effective at providing a quick mental break, helping to refocus attention and reduce stress. The tactile feedback from spinning the toy adds to the overall experience, making it a satisfying object to interact with throughout the day. There are some minor drawbacks to consider. The price is mentioned as a point of contention for a few users, who feel that the cost is slightly high for the size of the toy. However, most agree that the quality and durability justify the investment. The issue of the toy picking up dirt if used on the floor is another consideration, but this can be easily avoided by keeping it on a clean surface. Color accuracy may vary slightly from the product images, so buyers should be aware of potential differences in appearance. The Desk-Fidget-Kinetic-Toy has achieved a customer rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars based on over 400 reviews, reflecting a high level of satisfaction among buyers. Its ranking as a bestseller in the executive desk toys category further underscores its popularity and effectiveness as a desk accessory. The combination of visual appeal, tactile satisfaction, and stress relief benefits make it a standout choice for anyone looking to enhance their workspace. In summary, the Desk-Fidget-Kinetic-Toy by Samisolar is a well-crafted, visually engaging, and highly satisfying desk accessory that appeals to a wide range of users. Its high-quality construction, smooth spinning action, and calming optical illusion effect make it an excellent choice for stress relief and mental focus. The toy's versatility, durability, and strong customer support further enhance its value. While there are minor concerns about price and color accuracy, the overwhelmingly positive feedback from users indicates that this is a product worth considering for anyone seeking a unique and effective desk toy. If you have experience with this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Remember, the link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel.